Hello students, welcome back to your science class. So students, in the previous class we were talking about the different planets. We were seeing that what is the natural satellite, which is moon, what are the different phases of the moon, as well as we have also understood about that what is the difference between that of an artificial and the natural satellite. We have understood about the stars and what are the different groups of stars are there, and groups of stars are called as constellations. These constellations used to make a pattern, and that we used in order to they used to provide the pattern. They used to make the different designs, which we used to call them with the different names. Then we have started with the solar system, and the solar system which is basically constitute of our sun, which is our star, and the different planets. We have understood that the sun formation, the formation of the sun occur with the nuclear reaction that take place with that of the hydrogen, and which release an enormous amount of heat and light, and with the help of which we are getting the sunlight only. And we have also understood that how the formation of the planet occurs with that of the sun itself. Okay, so sun and the different planets. So in the different planets also we have seen that what are the rotation of the planet, what is the revolution of the planet. We have also understood that what are the different natural satellite present in the different planets. So we have seen in case of Mercury, which is very close, or which is the first planet of the solar system. The second one is the Venus. Then we have understood about the Earth and Mars. Now we will going to start with that of the Jupiter. Jupiter. So in case of a Jupiter, Jupiter is what it occupies the 5th position in the solar system, and it is what it is the largest and the heaviest planet of the solar system. The first point in case of a Jupiter, that it is the largest and the heaviest planet of the solar system. It is the largest one and it is the heaviest planet of the solar system, and it is this much large, student, that it can accommodate about it can accommodate all the other planet which is a part of the solar system. Not even this, its size, when you compare the size of the planet of the Jupiter with our Earth, so it is about 100,000 times than that of the size of our Earth. Even if you see the mass of the Earth, so the Jupiter mass is what? It is 318 times to the mass of the Earth. So you can understand that how much big or how much heavy this planet is. So size is 1000 times to the size of the Earth. Mass is 318 times to the mass of the Earth. Okay, so size is what? That is 1000 times to the size of the Earth, and mass is what? That is 318 times to the mass of the Earth only. Okay, so this is about that of the Jupiter. Now, not only this, but that it is the second brightest planet of the solar system, and yes, it is quite big, so they can be easily seen with the help of the naked eyes. Okay, so second brightest planet. and can be seen through naked eyes. Okay, it is the second brightest planet and can be seen through the naked eyes also. Okay, Jupiter, they are generally made of the gases, students, and these gases are what? That is hydrogen and helium. Okay, and its rotation is also very fast. So, it is made of gases like hydrogen and helium. Even the rotation is what? That is so fast. The Jupiter rotation is so fast that it can complete one rotation less than 10 hours. Not only this, if the revolution, if we talk, so it completes its revolution. Revolution means the movement of the planets around that of the sun, that is a revolution. Rotation, the movement of the planet around its own axis, that is the rotation. So period of rotation is less than that of the 10 hours, and period of revolution means what? How means completing the one revolution. That is the period of revolution. The time it takes to complete one revolution, that is period of revolution. The time it takes to complete one rotation is the period of rotation. So for period of rotation, it takes about 10 hours, less than 10 hours, and in case of period of revolution, it takes about 4,331 days to complete around the sun. Okay. So let us see the period of rotation and revolution also. Period of rotation, so it takes less than 10 hours to complete one rotation. It takes less than 10 hours to complete one rotation, and period of revolution it takes about 4,331 days to complete one revolution around sun. This is the period of rotation and period of revolution of the Jupiter. The temperature of the Jupiter is about, the average temperature, if we talk, it is a very cold one because it is very far away from that of the sun. So it is about -101 degrees Celsius, but it fluctuates also. Sometimes it reaches to the 70 degree Celsius. So the normal temperature is the -101 degree Celsius. The average temperature is -121 degrees Celsius, but may reach up to 75 degrees Celsius. 75 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Celsius. It may reaches up to the 75 to 70 degree Celsius, that is the average temperature. Now, there is a characteristic, a specific characteristic of a Jupiter, that around the surface there is a huge red spot, and this huge red spot, it is believed that it is because of the cyclonic wind which is responsible for giving the spot on it. Okay, so the cyclonic wind which is moving at a very great speed is responsible for the spot. So, it is a characteristic, a specific characteristic on the so Jupiter is having a huge red spot on its surface. Huge red spot on its surface, which is believed to be due to cyclonic wind moving with the great speed, which is moving with the great speed. Okay, so Jupiter, it is having a huge red spot on its surface, which is because of the cyclonic wind. Now, if we talk about the natural satellite, students, so Jupiter is what it is having about 67 moons, 67 natural satellite, and the largest 4 of them is what? That is Europa, then Celestio and Ganymede. So, it consisting of a good number of natural satellite, students. So 67 natural satellites are present in that of the Jupiter. Consisting of 67 natural satellite and natural satellite, and not only this, it is also having a faint ring around it, like we will going to see in the Saturn. Also there is a proper ring is there around the Saturn, and the Jupiter also there is a ring, but that is a very faint ring. Okay, so this is what these are some of the things that we must know about the Jupiter. Okay, so it is what? It is the largest one, it is the heaviest one, it is this much large that it can accommodate all other planets into it. It is 1000 times to the size of the Earth. It is 318 times to the mass of the Earth. The period of rotation is very, it's rotate really very fast, so it can complete one rotation within 10 hours. And even the period of revolution is what? It takes about 4331 days to complete one revolution around that of the sun. 67 natural satellites are present in it, and yes, a small faint ring is also present around that of the Jupiter, students. Now let us move on and see the next planet, and that is Saturn. Let us see about the next one, that is Saturn. Saturn. Saturn is what? It is what? It is the second largest planet of the solar system. Okay, 6th position and the second largest planet, and it is also very cold planet because it is very far away from the sun, as well as it is hit by strong cyclonic winds. So it is the second largest planet and second largest planet, and cold planet, and cold planet, second largest planet and cold planet, as it is far from the sun, as well as it experiences strong winds. It experiences strong winds. Saturn is what? It is covered with a thick atmosphere of a hydrogen and helium. So it is made up of a gases. Because of that, its density is quite low. That it is this much low that it can float on the surface of the water, because overall density of the Saturn is less than that of water. So size is what? Almost equal to that of the Jupiter. But yes, mass is what? That is it is the 1/3 of the mass of the Jupiter. So size is very close to the Jupiter, but mass is what? It is less than that of the Jupiter. So covered with a thick atmosphere, made up of hydrogen and helium, appears yellowish in color. It appears yellowish in color. So cover with a thick atmosphere which is made up of different gases. Density is what? It is quite less. So density of Saturn is less than the water. Less than water. Okay. Now, what is the rotation and the revolution? It will take about 10 hours 39 minutes to complete one rotation. So, period of rotation is 10 hours 39 minutes. While the period of a revolution, that it takes about 30 years to revolve. It takes about 30 Earth year to complete one revolution. So, period of rotation is it takes about 10 hours 39 minutes to complete one rotation. Next one is period of revolution. It takes about 30 Earth year to complete one revolution around Sun. Okay, that is the period of rotation or period of revolution. Now, this is the planet is surrounded with a very beautiful ring, students, which is made up of, which is composed of ice and rocks, and it is because of this ring, this planet is also called as a ring planet. So it is what? It is a very specific one which we can identify with the help of a very strong ring, a beautiful strong ring is present around it. that will gives it a name of a ringed planet, and this ring is composed of what? That is of a ice and rock. Okay, composed of ice and rock. Earlier, it was the more number of a planet was there in that of the Jupiter, student, but this time 83 natural satellites are found in that of the Saturn. So you can understand that now the more amount of a natural satellite is present in the Saturn rather than that of the Jupiter, which was considered earlier. And if you look at the size of the Saturn, so it is little but slightly larger to that of the Mercury. So these are some of the characteristic of that of the Saturn.